This baked salmon recipe is a healthy and simple way to enjoy a delicious meal, made with just a few ingredients. It's easy to prepare and packed with healthy nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, high-quality protein, and essential vitamins. Whether you're cooking for a quick weeknight dinner or a light, wholesome lunch, this recipe delivers great flavor with minimal effort. Here's a few ingredients you'll need: mayonnaise, honey mustard, paprika, salt, pepper, and a lemon. Standard baking at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Time, 12 to 15 minutes. This baked salmon recipe is paired perfectly with your favorite veggies. You'll have a satisfying meal that is healthy and delicious straight from the oven. Thank you for watching my channel. Track me down. Don't forget to like and subscribe.